From T-Mobile's terrifying child tracking glitch to drones becoming 911's first responders, this video breaks down the wildest tech and privacy news you need to know. We're talking Papa John's teaming up with Google Cloud to bring AI into your pizza orders, Instagram trying to outsearch TikTok, and the future of emergency response powered by drones. Fast, insightful, and a little mind-blowing. Like, drop your thoughts and subscribe for more real tech stories you actually care about. T-Mobile app glitch exposes kids' live locations to strangers. Imagine opening an app to track your child and seeing someone else's kid instead. That's exactly what happened to dozens of parents using T-Mobile's sync-up tracking service. Parents across the US were shocked to see real-time locations, names, even photos of strangers' children. One mother, Jenna, was horrified. Her kids were missing from the app, replaced by children in other states. "I refreshed and boom, a different child, over and over again," she said. She contacted T-Mobile. The response? "We're aware. Please wait." No urgency, no fix, no reassurance. She wasn't alone. Social media exploded with similar horror stories. Even car tracking systems showed the wrong vehicles. T-Mobile finally admitted it was a system glitch caused by a tech update. But the damage? Done. So, can we trust location tracking apps anymore? Drop your thoughts below. You won't believe how Papa John's is using AI to read your cravings. Ordering your favorite pizza is about to get a lot smarter. Papa John's just teamed up with Google Cloud to cook up an AI-powered pizza experience. PJX is the innovation squad bringing machine learning to your next pizza night. From predicting your next order to chatting with a voice-enabled pizza bot, AI is taking over your cravings. Imagine this. You open the app and bam, a custom deal you didn't even know you wanted yet. They're also optimizing their restaurant operations with data analytics, making sure your pizza hits the oven faster and smarter. This isn't just about pizza, it's about redefining fast food with tech at the core. Would you trust AI with your dinner order? Let us know in the comments section. Instagram is beefing up its search to compete with TikTok. Gen Z doesn't Google anymore, they Insta-search. And Instagram's finally catching up. Instagram head Adam Mosseri says search on the app is, well, not great, but change is coming. They're now investing big to make content search smarter. Not just usernames, but actual stuff you're looking for. Like TikTok, Instagram wants to suggest searches based on what's buzzing in the comments. Smart move. This means better discovery for users and more visibility for creators. Your reel from 3 months ago? Back in action. Instagram's turning Insta-search into a new social battleground. And they know Gen Z holds the keys. Do you use Instagram to search? What are your thoughts? We would like to get your perspective on this. Brinc drones could be the first to respond to 911 calls. Next time you dial 911, help might arrive from above. Literally. Brinc drones, backed by OpenAI's Sam Altman, just raised $75 million to put rescue drones in the sky. These aren't your average drones. They break windows, deliver medical kits, and fly into danger when humans can't. In partnership with Motorola, these drones will now launch straight from 911 call centers. Imagine dispatchers sending a drone within seconds, guided by AI, surveilling scenes before police even arrive. Founder Blake Resnick is only 25, and he's challenging Chinese giants with American-made tech. Is this the future of emergency response? Tell us what you think and subscribe for more innovations changing the world. And that's all for today. Join us on Friday for another episode. Thank you for watching.